Welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it tonight. For those of you joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a trading video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, like I said earlier on, we'll be analyzing the market. These are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. But you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, so that you are so that you can also benefit from earning big like this. Okay, so many people have done that, so you too can also do the same thing. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading tool to do my analysis. Right from the resistance zone, it started the downtrend. You can see it got to this support zone, pullback, but was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it went back on downtrend to break out from this support zone, and it's turned into a resistance zone. And right now it has gotten to this support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. Tried it out several times, so this is going to be going back on buy trend. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, so guys, this is boom 500, and of course, just where we are seeing it, this had been on a very strong downtrend until it got to this support zone, so it pulled back, and of course it will be trying out the support zone again. If it's unable to break out below it, then definitely it will continue with the buy trend, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. This is still selling for now until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, so now let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, it was on uptrend before, but it came down downtrend. Right now it is buying. Okay, so it will be buying and buying, so we might be experiencing it may likely get to this region before we can have a pullback. If it does not, then definitely it will be getting to this region before we have a major pullback. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500. Just where we have seen it's been on a very strong buy trend, got to this region, pull back, and of course it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on sell trend. This is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will start selling. That's very important. Okay, so the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, volatility 75 was on uptrend before it got to this resistance zone, and right now it is selling at the moment, but it has gotten to this support zone. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, then definitely it will buy a bit. Okay, so this is very, very important. It may likely buy to you it get to this region before continuing with the sell trend, so this is very, very important. So this is buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it's changed the direction into a sell trend. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay guys, I will be stopping at the moment. Right here, I will be stopping right here in case you are joining us for the first time and you want to follow up with the trading activities. Make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.